Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.7.2 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 9.7.2. If you are unable to find the version, you can click on archives. There will find all older versions. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the 22, 24 and 26. I am on 24.04. If you are on 26, select the 26. If you are on 22, select 22. Okay. But the installation process is same. Then once we selected, see, populated the list of the Debian packages. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this bundle. That is Deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 476 megabytes. Okay, this star file. Once download is completed, then untar this star file and we'll install Debian packages. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. Now untar this star file, tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Enter ls. Now we have to install these packages. Before installing these Debian packages, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 lib aio-dev. Hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Okay, ls. Now install these packages: sudo apt. So now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 9.7.2. Now we have to set the password for root account. Re-enter the same. We have successfully installed MySQL Server 9.7.2. Okay. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running and this service is enabled. Quit. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -2. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 9.7.2. Can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Now connect. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command. Use this the keyword, then provide the name of the database. See, now database change. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, you have created a table customer. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select. See, we got the list of the default users that constitute MySQL Server installation. Now create user. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. MySQL -u, new username is David-2. Here whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password, so we have to provide this one. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the user David. We can also verify the same. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we see how to start and restart MySQL Server 9.7.2 on Ubuntu operating systems. Control sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 5 seconds ago. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is running. Now we'll see how to restart. Control A, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. So we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so delete them. rm start.dep. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls. Remove this one also. rm MySQL. Press the tab. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 9.7.2 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. As I told you, the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.